You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word that is confusing indeed in English, very often mispronounced. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English that is confusing, including from anatomy, make sure to stay tuned. That designates the back of the neck or the adjective corresponding to it. British English pronunciation is different from the American one. Nuchal, that's British English pronunciation in the UK. Nuchal in American English in the US, it's rather pronounced as Nuchal, but in every case the CH is pronounced like a K. Nuchal or Nuchal. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.